know that you can actually manipulate your images after this screen here. So we can all do this and move things around and arrange them how we want. But sometimes we forget to do it and we get to the next screen and it's kind of like, I'm stuck with this. Or we want to be able to put several pieces of vinyl onto one mat while using the cut feature. So I wanted to give you a quick showing of how we can do this. Right here, I've just gotten various triangles. I'm going to click Make It. And as you can see, the Cricut sets it up the way it wants to cut them. However, if you click the one you want to move and come up here to this, you can actually manipulate this image however you see fit. So I'm going to flip mine completely over, as I've messed that up already. There we go. And you can come over and move it to where you want it to be as well within that screen. So you can move it back and forth, you can rotate it, all of that. So then I can take all of these images and move them nice and close together so I can get as much cut out of as little space as I can so I don't waste my materials. And you can move them all the way up on rows and everything. So I could put all of these up here like this. And you can see out of that how much less waste I have now. I can put all those in a line. Another thing you can also do is click these three dots and it will say move object or hide selected. So let's say I've gotten to the screen and realized I had made 6 triangles instead of only 5. I only need 5, so I'm going to go ahead and hide the selected triangle. It's off of the screen. If I want it, I come back down here to this hidden spot and I can pull it back up. The other thing you can do is you can combine mats. So again, let's say I'm going to cut these triangles here out of blue vinyl, but my diamond shape over here, I wanted to cut out of purple. I don't want to have to go back and load a new mat later though. I've got to walk away and just get things done. So click on your diamond and tell it to move the object. And you could select either the mat you already have available or a new mat. I'm going to put it on this mat and confirm. It moves it from exactly where it was on the old mat, that top left-hand corner, and puts it at the top left-hand corner here. Obviously, I don't want it to cut over itself, so I'm going to move it down. So now what I could do is put my blue vinyl across the top or paper, whatever you're using, and let's say maybe make it 4 inches long. The next piece I could make the right size for this diamond, but I could start it at the 5-inch marker of my mat so that this can cut out of the purple that I wanted, this can cut out of the blue I wanted, but I'm only having to work with one mat. And when you click continue, that purple mat is gone altogether because you no longer were using it. I hope this helps you guys today, and share if you have any other tips or if you have any questions about this one.